So let's talk about the boobie blues. So we always show plastic surgery befores and afters and these amazing results and talk about how incredible it is. But the truth is that some people have a really rough time the first month after surgery, and they really struggle with their decision and struggle with the recovery, and it can be really hard. So there's a lot of reasons why this can happen. I think, it's a combination of you chose this for yourself. You're in pain, you're not able to do your normal things. The proportion in your body has changed. You've known your body for decades and all of a sudden it's different. And it really doesn't matter how much you wanted the surgery and how good you look. It feels wrong, and it can be really difficult to deal with for the first couple weeks. So my advice to patients that are going through this, and it's more common than I think a lot of surgeons like to admit, is that first of all, do your best to focus on the future. So see yourself through the situation in a positive way. So instead of kind of dwelling in how you're uncomfortable and swollen and don't feel right, try to focus on the positives, how you're going to feel great in clothing and you're going to get that result that you've been wanting for years, you've been planning for years, and don't focus on the discomfort that's just going to be there for another week or two. The next thing is reach out to your plastic surgeon and their team, because we deal with this all the time. We're here for you and we want to help talk you through it. Sometimes just getting things off your chest and saying them out loud will help you feel better about the situation. We don't want you to suffer by yourself at home, miserable, when we can help you feel better. And then the last thing is trust yourself and trust your surgeon. So you're a smart person, you make good educated decisions, and you did all of the hard work moving up to your surgery. You chose your surgeon, you chose the surgery you wanted to have done, you researched, you knew the complications, you knew all of this stuff going into it. You chose this and you should trust yourself. So trust your own judgment. So I know it's hard when you're in the thick of it, but you're smart, you have good judgment, you make good decisions, trust your judgment. And trust your surgeon. Your surgeon that you have a great relationship with came up with a great plan for you, and the two of you together made a great decision. And it sometimes doesn't feel like it when you're in the middle of the swelling and the pain, but trust the decisions that you and your surgeon made together. So for those of you that went through the boobie blues, I would love to hear it in the comments, because I know it's a lot more common, like I said, than we like to say in plastic surgery. Was there anything that helped you get through it, and how do you feel about your surgery now?